Number 3. Key is it says they're parallel. We have parallel lines. We have this guy, this transversal cutting them, right? And then you have this other transversal cutting them. So as we talk about, that's going to create a lot of angles that we can slide down that transversal. But what we like to do first is we like to always get around where it gives me the measurement. So it gave me 60 degrees right here. So its vertical angle, okay, has to be 60 right here because notice it makes the scissors, right? So if he's 60, he's 60. Well, right beside it, a straight line is always 180 degrees. Well, if I cut it and this is 60, this would have to be 120 right beside it. Okay, that's a linear pair. They have to be 120, and then its vertical angle 120. Let's do the same down here at 80. If he's 80, his vertical angle is 80. Right beside him is 100 because a straight line, even if it's underneath, is 180. And if you cut it, it's going to be cut in the two parts that add up to 180. If this is 100, then its vertical angle is 100. Now, what do? This is where we use that idea of sliding down the line. So I'm sliding down the line. All these can be picked up, and where the line crosses the other parallel line, which is here, not here, but here, all these angles can be slid down and placed right there. So I can put the 120 right here, the 60 right here, the other 60 right here, and the 120 right here. Okay. So we can do that when we have a transversal and it's cutting two parallel lines. We can slide it down where it crosses the other parallel line. They're going to be the same. So here's this guy. He's going up. Okay, where can we move all of these guys? We move it to where it hits the other parallel line. Is that the other parallel line? No, the other parallel line is right here. So I can put 80, 100, 100, 80. Now, we still have some angles to figure out. How am I going to figure out this guy and this guy and this guy and this guy? Well, notice you have a what right here? A triangle. And all triangles add up to what? 180 degrees. So 80 plus 60 is 140. So this guy inside is 40. His vertical up here would have to be 40. And again, straight line, even though it's going like this, has to be 180. Well, we cut it right here at 40. So this part has to be 140 because the 140 and 40 add up to 180. And then its vertical angle on the other side would have to be 140.